Good evening, everyone. This is a new topic, GST, Goods and Service Tax of Grade 10 ICSE. Today I will be giving you the introduction about the GST. What is GST? GST means Goods and Service Tax. Everyone have an idea about the tax. So wherever we go, we have to pay some tax and come. If we go to the hotel, after eating, we have to pay some tax. If you order pizza or something, there also we have to pay tax. So what is this tax and what is this goods and service tax, we will be seeing in today's session. So mainly in grade 10 first chapter is goods and service tax. In that what all is present we will be seeing. So in the introduction we will be discussing what is a tax and everything. So mainly this chapter consists of tax, computation of tax, and what is GST. In GST again CGST, SGST, IGST will be coming, and ITC. So this is the whole chapter. What is the syllabus of this whole chapter? So first of all, tax. So what is a tax? Tax is a charge imposed by the government on the citizen for the collection of funds for public welfare and expenditure activities. Means we know that the government will take some amount as a tax from the public, and that will be used for the public sector, where road they have to lay the roads or some other purposes. So they will be using those, whatever the amount collected from us, they will be using as the tax, and they will be using in the public sector. Okay, so now everyone knows that government is divided into state and central. So whenever we paying the tax will be distributed between the state and the central. So here the government, state or central or state collects money in the name of tax within the respective territories, and there are mainly the tax is collected in two ways. What is that? Direct tax and indirect tax. What is direct tax? Direct tax are those that are levied on the income of the individual and organization. Means you have heard about the income tax. Means one person is earning something. Means from the earning of his earnings, he has to pay some amount to the tax, that is called as income tax. Or that corporation is there, one company is there, the company has to pay a tax, that is corporate tax. But other tax is what? Indirect tax. Indirect tax are those paid by the consumers or organization when they buy goods or get service for both. So for example, if I go to a shop and if I want to ask some atta or a pen or a ball or a bat, so along with the cost price of those item, some more amount will be added, that is called as tax, and will be paying for both. Will be paying for the both tax as well as the cost price of that item. That is called as an indirect tax. Okay, so there are many taxes like that. What are those? Income tax, service tax, value added tax, etc. So many taxes are there. So now how to calculate the tax? That is called as computation of tax. How to calculate this tax? Taxes are computed on the cost of the purchase of goods or services, or both at a particular percentage. Means tax, some percentage will be fixed. So based on the percentage they will be calculating the tax. So that is called as computation of tax. So in this we will be coming some terms. What is that? Dealer. A dealer is a person who buys and sells the goods. Cost price. So tax mainly coming on the cost price or selling price or list price or market price. So and again we'll be having a discount on the list price. Next, so these are the terms which will be going to use in computation of tax. When we are using the calculation of tax, the terms will be using this one. So tax, how we will calculate the tax is equals to rate of tax into selling price. Mainly we will be calculating the tax on the selling price. So air conditioner list price is 40,000. So list price and market price are same. So on the list price he was giving a discount of 15%, and tax rate is 28% he has given. Now how to calculate the tax? So how much the customer has to pay? SPE is equals to discount price, means selling price is equals to what? From the list price we have to remove the discount percentage and then we will be getting the selling price. So discount price is what? The list price minus the discount percentage. So on 40,000 the 15% of discount is 6,000. So 40,000 minus 6,000 is 34,000 is my selling price. On this selling price I will have to pay the tax to the government. So on 34,000 again I will be calculating the 28%. So 34 into 28% will gives us 9,520. So total I have to pay to buy the air conditioner is 34,000 plus 9,520. So which amounts to 43,520. So this is the way we will be calculating the tax. I hope everyone understood. So in the next session we are going to discuss about the GST, CGST, SGST, IGST. What are these? So I hope everyone understood whatever the introduction about this GST tax, how to calculate the tax. I hope everyone understood. If you like it, please click on like, share and subscribe. Thank you.